How to hide Instagram story from someone. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to hide Instagram story from someone. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. If you want to hide Instagram story from someone, just go to their profile. Then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. To hide the stories from someone, you need to choose Hide Your Story. And now this person will not be able to see your stories. If you want to hide stories from more followers, we need to go to our profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the right corner at the bottom. Now we should click on the three lines at the top right corner. Then tap Settings at the top. Here we should click on Privacy. And now we need to find option Story and press on it. At the top we see option Hide Story From, and we should click on it. If you want to hide story from someone, just click on the empty circle near the username. And then just tap Done at the top right corner. And that's all. It was how to hide Instagram story from someone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.